Good morning, guys. Tyler from ACI back with another video. We're almost at the shop. Guys, I hope you're having a great Thursday. And before we get to the shop, our limited edition Making Hearts Race merch is available at the link below, dynamicsapparel.com. If you guys haven't picked one up yet, definitely pick one up. Very, very limited quantities for this, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Guys, so without further ado, let's go see what's going on today. Morning, Fudge. My man Fudge trying to get some new merch.
Well, I'm trying to get some new work shirts.
What do you think about that logo?
I'm trying to get some new work shirts, but you guys don't order my size. What are you looking at?
All right, Fudge. What are we working on?
Putting a steering rack and a 325.
And why are we doing that, Fudge?
Because it's leaking and the boot's ripped.
Thanks, Fudge.
No problem.
Hey, Nick!
Shut up!
What are we working on?
We're working on John's Mark IV GTI.
And why are we doing that?
John?
Yo, the strut just went back down. Is that good?
Go ahead, go up.
Joe, how do you feel about the Sequoia TRD Pros?
Apparently he thinks it's
Tell him.
Tell him! Toyota all the way. Fucking Toyota all day!
Alright, put your own lift up.
The strut went by itself,
I
Tyler.
know it dropped. Hey, Nick!
Yeah.
Let's check it out underneath.
Holy sh!
What's going on here?
I don't know where to start. Secondary air pump's leaking coolant. Just kidding. Yeah, we got a lot of coolant leaks, oil leaks.
Oh boy.
Hey, you want to look at my rack?
We're looking at leaks.
You want to look at my rack?
Give him a kiss. Valentine's Day, baby.
Kiss me. Kiss me, dude.
Dude, you said cold.
Dude, kiss me. Kiss me.
Huh?
Kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss me.
This is nice.
ACI carts.
This is nice.
We got the new grill on.
Got the new grill
What do
on.
you think of it, Martin?
I like it, bro. I could definitely.
Wow!
Yeah, you know. Look at that.
I feel the heat, baby.
That's nice.
Just like we're in Florida.
Hey, listen, I'm just gonna do everybody a favor, all right?
Hey, Nick!
Hey, Clix. Tyler.
What are we working on?
We're working on a B9 S5. A5.
What are we doing to it?
We're doing an intake from Unitronic. Unitronic, you bought it?
Yeah, it is Unitronic.
We're doing intercooler.
Yep.
We're going to do
The downpipes.
downpipe,
And then IE stage 2, baby.
and we're gonna flash a stage 2 file on it. So right now we're taking off the stock airbox
Yep.
because not only can I put the new airbox in, but it also allows me to access room for my sausage fingers to get to the downpipe nuts. Yo, the front of that hood on that Hyundai looks like the front of the hood on the Audi R8 yesterday.
Yeah, so we got a nice carbon intake going in.
Yeah, Cody! Just
Tell
for
'em.
you, Cody!
Give him a kiss. Yes, sir. We got all the parts over here, right, Nick?
Yeah, we don't want no stuff. Bow! Bow! Stop! Bow!
That's not. Yo, the dab.
What do you mean, dab? Like that?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, this one's toasty. This one's good.
Nice.
Ooh, that one's toasty,
All right,
dude.
we'll be back for an update, Nick. Thank you. Yo, Nick, show us the intake. Show us the intake.
Dude needs to shut the up.
You're killing him. You're killing him. You're killing him. Yo, he's gonna have an anxiety attack. Chill. Looks like he's gonna cry. There's the turbo, baby.
Tyler!
Bow! Bow! All right, guys. How's the Subaru build
got
going?
hose. I got more hose.
Shut up, bitch!
Guy's mad.
I know, dude. Look at him.
Mad Aggie.
How's it going over here, guys?
We're just big kids playing with blocks.
We're building Legos over here.
I got blocks and hose. Instead of boats and hose, I got blocks and hose.
You like that, Martin?
You know what they say? More doors.
Dude, you say that every time. All right, Barn Built. What do we got?
I got some nice billet goodies over here.
That's
Nice
nice.
IAG fuel rails. Some big old... These things? Injection D. Yeah, whatever the hell those are.
Wow.
We got some freaking IAG specialty block over here.
Right there. Subaru, baby. Because they always blow up. Right?
No, it's not gonna blow up after I build it. I'm not Nick.
Meanwhile.
All right, Nick. What are we going to do?
All right, Tyler.
Hey,
Let's go.
Tyler!
Let's go start it.
It's your turn, Tyler! How about you start the car?
Dude, get that thing out of my face.
Dude, look at me.
What? Dude. You ready? Cold start.
Cold start.
Get back there.
Dude!
Dude.
Whoa, Tyler! Oh! Whoa! What are you...
Yo.
Oh, Tyler! Oh!
Dude, it's loud.
Shut it off!
Yo, you hear the spool?
I hit... Oh!
Yo, wind down, dude.
That's a loud exhaust we got there, guys. Hope he likes it.
Hey, Nick.
You want to start the car? It's all connected. It connects
We
good.
got- we got the
you
exhaust.
You bought a nice system.
It is a nice system.
Yeah.
You think Cody will like it?
Yeah. Want to hear what it sounds like?
Yeah. Here.
You don't have to get in it.
No, I'll get in it.
You don't have to. Just.
No, I know. We'll just start it. Here, hold it. Let's start it up.
Do you want to order lunch?
Yeah, but here. All right, Nick. Time for a cold start.
Dude, it's loud back here.
That's nice.
Dude, he's gonna like that.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It sounds crispy out here.
Under load, dude, it's gonna sound really good.
Yeah, it sounds crispy.
All right, time to order lunch. Where are we going?
All right, Justin.
No, it's all right.
Not even out of the parking lot.
All right, Fudge.
What's up?
All right, let's get lunch. Come on.
All right. All right, Nick. Show him the intake.
I'm building it right now.
We got a Unitronic carbon air intake going in right here. Sounds pretty good too, huh, Nick?
You see that red mark just in case you're stupid?
Just for you. All right, Martin.
What's up, baby?
What do we got in the dyno?
Oh, we got a Stinger, baby.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty much a stage 1.5. The guy has exhaust and intake, and obviously you're tuned by the guys at lap 3. Really good tune. It's doing really good. It's a little bit cooler out today, so we're seeing really good numbers. I always heard these cars don't really, the numbers are always like on the lower side. This thing it just made over 500 wheels.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
All right, Martin.